Introducing the AI Assistant, a powerful new tool built to speed up your site sourcing journey. Here's how to use it to evaluate a site or generate comprehensive documents. Step 1. Save your desired site and open the AI Assistant to get started. Step 2. In the prompt box, describe what you need in plain English. Using built-in planning logic, the assistant will generate a structured response in seconds. Step 3. Verify the output. Just click any live source-level citation to go directly to the official planning policy record, drastically cutting down the double-checking tax. Step 4. Go to edit mode and use the interactive editor to make targeted dynamic additions, like pulling in local planning history. No need to regenerate the whole file. Step 5. Hit save. Every document is stored permanently against its site, so next time you log back into LandInsight, your work is waiting exactly where you left it. Try the AI Assistant today.